Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Teaching on a Budget. And we're going to talk about green screens. Now, you can buy a nice green screen from Amazon for $157, $23, all right, pretty decent. $99, $157, all kinds of things. You can even get one for $75. But ladies and gentlemen, this is teaching on a budget, and most teachers don't have a budget to create a green screen. So we're going to show you how to create one real simple and easy, okay? So since we're doing a lot of things virtually, you are you're probably into Zoom or in Google Meets. You can do this as well, and any kind of meetup program they probably do. But check your settings buttons here. Click on virtual background or green screen or whatever they have. Now, as teachers, you know that you have a bulletin board, okay? And you probably have some bulletin board on there, some kind of little posters or sayings or something like that. Or you could have, like mine, has the Constitution because I teach political systems and American government. But choose one of those little panels and choose a darker color like this. And the cool thing is, use your school colors to give you a little bit of school spirit as well. So even if you don't use your green screen or your virtual backgrounds, you still have something nice, okay? And it's not green, all right? So very simple. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's like I'm out on the field, okay? Or I'm at the beach. That's kind of nice. I like that. So you can do that, and you can add any picture you want. You can even download. Wow, that's not pretty. Let's go back to the field. All right, I feel a whole lot better. But it's that simple, guys. It's really real simple, real easy. One of the negatives behind choosing your school colors is when wearing your spirit gear, you could disappear. So be careful of that. Fridays around here are going to be a whole lot more fun online.